Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your mobile hotspot using a temporary password, also known as a one-time password, which means that the next time you turn on your mobile hotspot, the person will not be able to use the same password to connect to your mobile hotspot, right? So what you want to do is swipe up on top on settings here, then tap on connections here. Scroll all the way down to where you find mobile hotspot and tethering. From here, you want to go ahead and turn on your mobile hotspot. It will tell you that it will turn off your Wi-Fi, so go ahead and turn it off. Now, from there, just simple tap on mobile hotspot again to enter the settings, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom. You will see one-time password. So you can simple toggle that on, and you will know of that one-time password enabled. Now, you can tap on it again to see the one-time password. And as you can see here, this is the one-time password. Now you can share this password with anyone and they will be able to use it. But the next time they try to connect again, they will not be able to use the same password. You can share the password or you can simple tap on QR code and you can share the QR code as you can see there. As well, if you want to just simply reset it right away, you can simple tap reset. And as you can see here, it changes. Every time you tap on reset, the password changes. However, you know that once they try to connect again to your mobile hotspot, this will be reset automatically. Right, so that's all there is to it, guys. It's very easy and very simple.